Hi, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. And today we're in Winslow Township, Sicklerville, New Jersey, zip code 08081. This is 40 Fillmore Way. This is the only property that's available in Oak Forest, which is a great development here in Sicklerville. Let's walk and talk, and I'm going to show you this glorious property. Let's check it out. The house is fully fenced. You can see that you have the 4-foot, and then in the back it goes to the 6-foot stockade. Real nice. The siding, this has long been talked about as the most beautiful home in the neighborhood because of the siding, the color. Inside we have 2 beds, 1.5 baths. It's 1,516 square feet. It's got a lot of features, and I'll go through those as we're walking. Here you have the living room, nice flooring. You have these awesome barn doors here, and this opens to your dining room. Dining room is fully wainscoted all the way around, all pro done, light and bright, everything neat. The countertops, these are really high end. It's got the crackle through it, real nice. These are dovetail joints on the drawers, and all the cabinets are soft touch. Stainless steel everything, deep sink, undermount. You got the flat top electric stove, and you have the refrigerator. Everything in really great condition. Down this way we have a half bath. And further down the line to the left, you have your washer and dryer. To your right, you have a 1-car garage. It's got a charging station for a EV, and it's a 200 amp electrical service. As we make our way into this great room, and it is absolutely fantastic, windows all around the perimeter. You have morning, noon, and dusk sunshine. Copious amounts of sun, absolutely glorious, beautiful floors, tremendous space here to just work, enjoy, entertain. The elevated back deck, of course we're in winter time now, but you can imagine having a really beautiful cookout here, and you have plenty of space, all fenced in. This shed is negotiable. It's not part of the deal, but you could certainly make that part of the deal in your offer. As you walk down, you see the 6-foot white vinyl goes all the way up to that way. You can see more of the great room. This roof was installed approximately 2016, so that's newer. And you have solar on the other side, and I'll hit that as we get a little further into the walkthrough. This is part of the HVAC system that was recently installed, 2022. So you have a newer gas furnace, and you have newer central air, and that's your gas meter right there. Let's check out the upstairs. Walk with me this way. So going up, we have the nice treads on the stairwell, and the cleats have this nice ornate design. Come up to some really high-end flooring at the landing, and you have a full bath. Got a shower to my right, and then to the left, another stand-up shower with the rainmaker, and you have these awesome vertical tiles, 12 by 24. Got a furniture grade vanity, awesome faucet, everything in really great shape. We'll call this bedroom number 2. So there's 2 beds up here. It's got plenty of space. You got the bunk, and you have a very large closet, store a whole bunch of stuff, and it's got the nice chair rail all the way around. This would be the master bedroom. It's got this really cool brick wall, plenty of space, plenty of light. It's got 2 closets. One is a walk-in, one is just a standard, but very, very nice, both of those. Tremendous amount of space. All you need to do is move in. If you like this property, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you loved it, give us a subscribe. And if you know anybody that's looking in the area, share this property with them. It's 1,516 square feet. It's 40 Fillmore Way, Sicklerville, New Jersey. It's got the solar panels, which will be a real benefit to any buyer that comes into the property. It has this gorgeous great room that I'm standing in right now. Upgraded cabinets, upgraded wainscoting all over the property, upgraded countertops, backsplash. Back deck is just glorious. Just imagine summertime. Newer HVAC, 2022, and the roof was installed approximately 2016. This house is a real winner. And I hope that you get in here in time, because I don't think this is going to last. And as always, Joe Wiessner, I want to see you at the settlement table.